Fuatia nginani ati Munini wa mutongoria wa bururiin we Rigathi Gachagua umuthi ni agitongoretie kigomano kana kurugurio gwa kigomano kia kuruguria mitaratara kana mutaratara wa guthaitira maria maturigiciirie guku bururiin na nikio kioikaine ta parliamentary convention Climate Change Caucus na kiria gigukorwo gikiaririria na makiria kuhurana orundumwe na guthaitira ugaruruku wa riera guku bururiin na tauria turagitaririo timu wadikitu wa itherero wa Njoroge.
Munini wa mutongoria wa bururi Rigathi Gachagua ni atongoretie kigomano gia kwaririria ugaruruku wa riera bururiin undu uria uretwo Kenya Parliamentary Conservation Climate Change Caucus and Strategic Plan kuria kiama giki gigukorwo gigithurima maundu mege maina na riera na kugacirithia maria maturigiciirie.
If we are to beat climate change, we must go 100% green from the national grid to domestic energy consumption. As one of your key assignments, we count on your input to the Climate Change Amendment Bill 2023, which will open a path to carbon trading since it will incorporate carbon markets in the current Change Act 2016. It is now my pleasure to declare this.
Kiama giki kiratongorio ni mubunge wa Njoro Charity Kadhambi na ni kiraremwe abunge othe bururiin.
Members of Parliament are involved fully, it will succeed. If we leave them out and we try to do it from Nairobi, we'll fail.
Akiariria mukawa wa Sarova Stanley guku mwena wa Nairobi, Rigathi ni atugiritie abunge aya ni kunyitana na kurutithania wira hamwe, akiuga ugaruruku wa riera ni ukoretwo ugithie na mbere na kwiyumiria.
Every leader must go out of his way to make a contribution. How do you explain for the last 1 week Nairobi was more colder than Nyeri and Kericho?
Ni ongereire na kuga kiama gia Kenya Kwanza ni kiraruta wira munene gutigirira ni kiahura thina uyu ari hamwe na mutaratara wa kuhanda miti bilioni 15 gwikinyiriria mwaka wa 2023 undu uria ukuongerera miti bururiin na gicunje kia 30 hari igana.
For you to succeed, this program of 15 billion trees, if members of Parliament are involved fully, it will succeed.
Hadoine ha Muthingi TV Jitagwo wa itherero wa Njoroge.